Yes, welcome to today's class. We are going to look at the reaction of iron to iron with the ammonium hydroxide, or you can call it as ammonia solution. When we look at the solution of iron 2, it is here. It is brown in color. The solution of iron 2 is meant to be green, but because of the oxidation, the moment you expose this solution of iron 2 to air, it combines with the air, or it can be oxidized to form iron 3 iron, which is brown. So now we are going to look at the reaction of the iron 2 with ammonia solution. But what could be the observation? So we're going to look at some bit of the solution. I'm going to divide into portions. This is still a solution of iron 2 iron. It is still brown. But now when it reacts with the ammonia solution, this a brown solution will form a green precipitate, and we call it as a dirty green precipitate. But on standing, the green precipitate turns to brown. Let us take a look at the reaction. This is my ammonia solution. I'm having ammonia solution, and then this is a solution of iron 2. So I'm adding the iron, that is ammonium hydroxide solution. So when you look at this solution, this is a green precipitate. Now this green precipitate, it is insoluble in excess ammonia solution. Even if you had ammonia solution until in excess, the precipitate does not dissolve. So I'm trying to add until in excess so that we see the reaction. This is the green precipitate formed due to the reaction between iron 2 iron with the ammonium hydroxide. And now this green precipitate, when you leave it to stand for some time, it will turn to brown due to oxidation. We know that the iron 2, after the formation of iron 2 hydroxide, it can be oxidized to iron 3, which will give us a brown precipitate. So this is basically the reaction of iron 2 iron with the ammonia hydroxide or the ammonia solution. So we are going to leave it to stand for some time. Then we see what will happen to the brown, that is to the green precipitate. But of course, what we know is the turning of the green precipitate to brown precipitate. That is due to the oxidation of iron 2 hydroxide to iron 3 hydroxide. So when you look at the upper part, this upper part here, it is turning brown. When you look at it, it is becoming brown. So when you leave this precipitate to stand for some time or for some minutes, the green precipitate will turn to brown due to oxidation of iron 2 to iron 3. Thank you.